Oh,
What?
just like Queen Elsa,
Queen Elsa,
and
exactly.
Olaf.
And Olaf.
Oh my goodness.
She's cooler than She's way cooler.
Didn't you have a question?
I do have a question for you, Coco. Do you want a birthday Sunday? We can celebrate today. We can sing for you an awesome song, and you can dance along the Pharaoh's way. This is your special moment, so go on, make a wish. Go ahead and try. Do you want a birthday Sunday? Of course you want a birthday Sunday. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday!
That was so cool.
We got that note, you guys. Nailed it. It's always funny to watch the guys try to hit that note. There you go, cutie. Happy birthday.